Hi there. So this week's scroll sawing project will be about Halloween, fall and autumn. Our first project is going to be a basic pumpkin to hang in my porch over the fall and autumn period. I'm going to mount it on the template I have here to back it. So here we have the rough outline, so I'm just going to start the painting. So here I have some autumn fall colours. I've just got these off of Amazon and I'll leave a link in the description below. But once I've finished painting all the pumpkin parts, I'm going to just mix up some of the colours and mess about on some old scrap wood to make some leaves. There we go, so those are parts painted for that. When they're dry, I'll place them on the template. I'm just using some acrylic pens here to help me bring out the details that I'm looking for. So if you like the video so far, please like and subscribe. And there we have it, project 1 with my pumpkin and the autumn fall scene. So for my second project on the video, I've just sketched out some ghosts and some pumpkins just so I can paint those and hang them around the porch as well. So the wood I'm using here is the 3mm bass plywood. We get ours from Kicksronic in the UK. We find this company to be one of the best with the prices. I've decided to cut out the eyes and the mouth on this ghost just to let the light through from the porch. I'm using the pinless blades on this machine, but I'm finding it really fiddly. I'm really enjoying the scroll sawing. I think at some point I'm going to have to get a new machine. So if any of you have any recommendations on the machines that can make this process easier, they'd be much appreciated. With the spare wood, I have cut and painted tree decorations to hang up. So the third project is going to be another pumpkin with a little bit more detail and some more cuts in it. So taking it from this template, there's already 2 layers so I can get the 3D effect. Once I've finished with the cutting, I'm going to paint them in the autumn fall colours again with the black background. So here we have them, the first pumpkin with the autumn fall scene. The more detailed pumpkin with the black backing board. The ghost to hang behind the window. So that's it for today. If you've enjoyed this video, then maybe you'd like to click on the video above.